What's up, guys? Michael Poland here, and I am doing a bike review of course, my bike. And yep, let's get into it. Just lift up this little bad boy.
Not hard to track down either. Did the train stop at Spring Lake?
Well, yes.
I don't suppose you got off, did you?
On the contrary, I did. I went to the newsstand and bought a magazine.
Whoa, this thing is so not in focus.
Well, I'm sorry.
Alright, so what I have first is a blank headset with a snafu cap, and I took off the size of the bars, but I have blank bars. I have plus grips and plus what you call it? I have a blank lever. It just feels very good on my hand.
Did they kill that guy Gabor?
So I like it.
Darling, why would anyone want to set fire
Let's see
to
what
the
else I have.
I wish I knew.
So
We better look through the files. I hope the books aren't burned.
I have
What It's coming up, but it takes time. And I missed the movie because you want this off. Fucking baby.
can't really tell. Please don't curse on my video. Alright, so I have a blank rim. I have to cut that off.
Now you won't have to break in the new She can inaugurate her own system.
What the hell is
I
that?
have an inflate tire right here. But I also have another blank rim with a touring bike, with the touring tire. I just have random pegs. I don't even know what they are. I have Odeezy's pedals, plastic, hard plastic, blank cranks, blank, please stop talking to my video, blank chain, a snafu seat post, that's my chain, a 25, a blank WTF 25T blank sprocket. I have snafu magic. I have snafu magic forks.
What?
I